Hi everyone. Today we will see how to make NOT, AND and OR gate using universal gates, which are NAND gate and NOR gate. Let's get started. We will use the software Circuit Wizard for this. So let's go to Circuit Wizard and go to Logic Gates, and we will use NAND and NOR gates. So first we will take a NAND gate to make NOR gate. We need an input and an output. So since NOT has one input and one output, we only need one input and one output. We will connect it like this, and we will connect it to the final output. And similarly with NOR gate, to make NOT gate, we will use the NOR gate. We will take the input, one output, and we will connect it the same way. Connect it with both inputs, and this will be connected to the final output. Now let's run it. So this should give us the opposite value. Since it is low, it is giving me a high value, and when we make it high, it becomes green, which is the low value. So this is our NOT gate. Okay, now let us make AND gate. So for that we will need NAND gate. So to make AND gate, all we need is a NAND gate and a NOT gate. So first we will take NAND, and we will use another NAND to make the NOT gate. We will need two inputs in this case, and one output. So let us join it. And this will be joined so that it can form a NOT gate. And this will give us the final output. So when we run this, we can see that when both are low, we are getting output as low. One is high, it is still low. And if both are high, only then we are getting it as high. Now let us make AND gate using NOR gate. So we will need 3 NOR gates for this. 1, 2, and 3. And first two NOR gates will act as NOT gate. So first we will take two inputs and one output. And first two will act as NOT gate. So we will connect it like that. Similarly here. And this will be connected to the NOR gate. Now let us run this. As we can see, both low will give us low output. One high will give us one high output. Any one high will give us low output, and both high will give us high output. So this is our AND gate. Now let us make OR gate. So let us first use NAND gate to make OR gate. It will be similar to the previous example. We will use 3 gates and we will connect it similarly. We will need 2 inputs and one output. So this will be a NOT gate. And this will be my NAND gate. This will give us my OR gate. As you can see, we can run it. And if both outputs are low, it is low. One output is high, it is high. Both outputs are high, it is still high. And now we will use NOR gate to make OR gate. So it is simple. One will act as NOR gate and the other will act as NOT gate. We will take two inputs and one output. Then we will connect it similar to this example. Similar to this example, we will connect it. And then when we will run it, we can see both low are giving me low output, one high will give me one high output, and both high will also give me high output. So this was all the gates. This is our OR gate. Let me write it down. OR gate. This is a NAND, NOT, NAND and OR gate using NAND and OR gate. Using NAND and NOR gate. Thank you so much for watching.